We're outside of the brand new elevator at the Stephen Foster Memorial at the University of Pittsburgh. Right there's the Cathedral of Learning. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. The door should be unlocked. Slow door. Please warm around. Here's the new elevator. Let's hope it's entered service. Oh, no one's been here for a while. Did I just turn on? Yeah, it's entered service now. Paid elevators here not long ago and it still hadn't entered service yet. Here it is. This is actually an Otis with Innovation Bruiser, which is really weird. Oh, and a nice cab. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, it's a Minnesota. I thought it was 3 floor, no, it's 4. S2 locked. S1 works. Here we go down. Yeah, Minnesota. Side door. Weird, no one beep here. S1. I think. No one's been down here in a while either. Got the 1. I'd say that should work. And here we go up. And yeah, I know it's Otis because Pitt is a country. For those of you who saw Otis fans here. Oh, now the lights are on. Here we go. Why does it beep twice? You're at 1. Class A loading. From 4,900 pound capacity. That's really weird. Nice cab. Also interesting shape. I guess that's why it has the weird capacity here. Bigger ground. And yeah, it is a Minnesota. According to indicator. Oh yeah, single side door here. 2 speed there. That's also interesting. Very interesting elevator. So yeah, it's finally in service. I think it recently entered service. Also, why is there a lock there when that's the exit? Weird. Alright, here are the lanterns on the outside, but for the other door, the lanterns on the inside. They're closing. That's gonna be it.